Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to the Izzy Budgeting and Coupon Community. My name is Araseli. Here on my channel, I share my budgeting journey and techniques for gaining financial freedom and be debt-free by simply learning how to spend and save money with the purpose and goals in mind. I appreciate everyone joining me today. In today's video, I will be going over 8 of my favorite rich money habits that you can apply to your life that I believe will help build wealth and gain financial freedom. Now, these habits are not going to be easy and will require a lot of discipline and consistency. So let's go ahead and get started. Rich money habit number 1, know the value of time. Focus your time on tasks that you actually want to do and value doing. And you can do this by automating your monthly bills or writing them down on a calendar. This will keep your finances organized so that you're not missing payments, which can lead to unnecessary fees. Another way to save time is to plan shopping trips and appointments within the same day. Not only are you saving time, but you're avoiding extra fuel cost. And if needed, put your phone on silent or on do not disturb mode to help keep focus and without those phone distractions so that you're not wasting time. Rich money habit number 2, have a budget. Know where your money is going and closely watch the cash flow. By tracking your money will help you see where you're wasting money and what spending habits need to be changed. Rich money habit number 3, avoid debt. Every day we're constantly filled with images on our phone from family, friends, the media, going on vacation, getting a new car, a new home. But don't fall for the lifestyle trends, which can prevent you from being smart with your money. You will be tempted to put expenses on credit cards so that you can afford things, but you actually end up buying things that you really don't care about. Instead, always try to live below your means and not try to keep up with others around you. Not only are you wasting time on keeping up with the new trends, but you're also wasting money you don't have. Rich money habit number 4, shop sales, use coupons, pay in full. So I asked myself, why is it that I've never heard a rich person say that they have a monthly car payment? And instead, they typically will just pay for most things in full. Why is that? Then it dawned on me. It's probably because they got a discount on the price for paying in full, and they avoid paying payments because it's going to add an additional cost, interest. I wish I would have thought of this sooner. Money habit number 5, long-term goals. Setting goals is very important because without a goal, how do you know where you're heading towards? And also goals help you keep you motivated to live your best life. By simply writing down your goals, you are more than likely to attain those goals than if you don't write them down. Rich money habit number 6, educate yourself on financial matters. When you are unsure about a financial decision, seek professional advice or simply seek out the knowledge you need by educating yourself. The key to being successful is always learning. Rich money habit number 7, have more than one source of income. Why? One source of income may not last forever. The possibility of losing your job does exist. So it's a good idea to have multiple income streams for those challenging times if they happen. And just like you take care of your medical and mental health, it's very important to take care of your financial health by not adding extra money stress, like adding debt on credit cards. Rich money habit number 8, investing. Make your money work for you. Instead of saving the money left over from each paycheck, only spend the money that is left over from each paycheck. In other words, save money first and spend any leftover money. Investing is especially important today with the increase of inflation. It's clear to see that $100 today will not be worth $100 in the future, especially if you leave it sitting in a checking account. And also invest in yourself. Be part of the solution, not the problem. So these are a few rich money habits that I've been working on, and I always look forward to see how they will be changing my life day after day. I always look at the bigger picture, the why. You are making those small sacrifices now, which will result in major life changes in the long run. So if you're interested in learning how to budget, keep watching. Up next is budgeting with me by utilizing the cash envelope method. Now, if you're new to my channel, I budget by paycheck and I utilize the cash envelope method to visually track all of my income, my spending habits, and my progress to keep me on track for my financial goals. This is how I intentionally spend and save my income money. So this is going to be my second cash envelope stuffing for the month of September, which is exciting because I have one more paycheck for this month, which that also means the year is coming to an end. So we're going to need to start preparing for that also. So for each pay period, I use the following budget breakdown sheet that I created for myself. This helps tell my money exactly where to go. So let's go ahead and get started with our income and category up here. We're entering our busy season at work, so I was able to make a little extra money this pay period. So for this pay period, we are working with $1,447. One thing I do want to point out is I budget my expenses off my previous take-home income, which was $1,250, and then any extra income that does go towards my savings category down here. So let's go ahead and go over each category and the amounts together. But first, let's go ahead and count out the income money here. Alrighty, so we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 50, that makes it 950. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60. So that's going to bring it to 1,410. 10, 20, 1,430. 5, 10, 15 is going to bring it to 1,445. And 1 and 2, 1,447. Next, under bills category, now I do split my expenses across 2 paychecks so that one paycheck doesn't take the entire thing. However, I will be adding a little extra from each paycheck. With everything going up the last year, especially in my utilities, just the uncertainty just makes me nervous. So this is my way of doing something about it and ensure that I have a little extra saved. But overall, no other changes are needed in my bills category. So let's go ahead and get started with first a mortgage. It's going to get its usual $375. So we have 100, 2, 3. Let's get some 20s here. 20, 40, 60, 75. Next, under utilities, I will go ahead and budget 180 today. So that's 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. Although we've turned off our AC, the heater will be on soon, so I expect this to maybe go up a little here. So for today, it's 180 for under utilities. Next, internet will get 20. Cell phone will also get 20. Let's look at TV. Subscriptions is $10. And then under transportation, car payment, we'll get 100. Insurance, 65. 20, 40, 60. And then 65 for my car insurance. Okay, so that does take care of my bills category there. So what I do is with the second paycheck, I will actually put this money along with the previous bills money here and then take it back to the bank and then pay some bills online. Alrighty, so that takes care of bills. Next category is my debt down here. Under debt, since it is my second paycheck of the month, I like to pay a little extra. So with starting off with my personal loan here, it's going to get an extra payment of 25. So we have 25 here. Next, credit card. That's my city credit card. It's going to get an extra payment of $50. And then credit card number 2, Visa, it's going to get an extra payment of $100. And then similar to my bills category, I'll put this money in my debt envelope here and then take it back to the bank and then pay some debt online also. Now, moving on to my day-to-day expenses here. These are expenses that I carry around cash in my wallet. This is my everyday spending for the next 2 weeks. Any amounts left over from the previous weeks, I just simply roll over that money over to the next week. I find this helpful for weeks that I may be short and need extra funds. As we all know, there have been a steady increase in prices overall, so it might be a good time to revisit these envelopes and make some changes if needed. Luckily, I haven't had to make any changes this month. I think that's mainly because I coupon and I haven't had to increase my budget so far. So starting off with my grocery envelope here, which does include household items. I don't have anything left over, but today I'm going to add 220. So that's 100 to 220. And then next, under dining out, I don't have anything left over, but I am going to add 20 today. Next is my car for gas and maintenance. Again, I don't have anything left over, but I'm going to add $40 here. But I know I'm going to have to start budgeting a little extra for fuel and maintenance. That way I am ready when I'm going to be going back to work here shortly. What's next is health. But actually, I'm not going to add anything in this envelope today. We have $50 in here, which is a good amount. 20, 30, 40, 50, yep. Which is a good amount to have in here. So I won't be adding any money this pay period. So let's go ahead and move on to next envelope is clothing. Let's take a look under clothing. Oh, $20 in here. So this time around, I'm going to be adding $20 here. And this is just in case there's some good end of the season sales going on. So we're going to have $40 in here. What else? Entertainment. So entertainment, I'm going to add $20. And then finally, miscellaneous, my Life Happens envelope. I don't have anything left over. $20. Alrighty, so that's going to go ahead and take care of the day-to-day expenses here. So we're going to move on to savings category. So let me start with future funds. Get my future funds binder here. Alrighty, so I have $100 set aside for future funds. But actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add that money to my emergency envelope here. Let's see how much we have in here. So we have, with the 100 today, let's go ahead and there's 500 placeholder money, 600, 510, 13. So we have 613 in total for the emergency envelope. But what I'm going to do is starting next pay period, that's when I'm going to start adding money to the rest of the future fund envelopes here. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and put our future fund envelope binder away, and then that's going to leave us with saving challenges. How much do we have left over? $62. Let's see, saving challenges. So under saving challenges, I do have 3 saving challenges, 1 month ahead here, save the date, and spend less, save more savings challenge. But today, I think I'll just add this money all into the 1 month ahead. That way we can get started on savings challenges here. And then we'll start with the rest of the challenges next pay period. Alrighty, so go ahead and put that away. And then, but real quick, my overall vision with saving challenges is to move the money once the challenge is completed into the future fund envelopes in here. However, with saving challenges, it's really your preference. So do what works best for you. So that takes care of saving challenges here. Let's look at the budget summary down here. So that reflects 0. So all dollars have been accounted for this pay period. So this is going to bring us to the end of this video. A huge thank you to everyone who made it to the end of this video. Hopefully this video has motivated you to think of your own financial health and changing your mindset to positive, rich money habits, and remove those bad money habits so that you can live your best life, whatever that may be. traveling the world, or simply quitting your job and starting your own business. It all starts with you making that change today. As always, don't forget to go out there and make a difference in someone's world. A simple smile does the trick for me. And please share this video as it will help other individuals who are also searching for ways to change their life financially. And if you enjoy these type of videos, please sure to click on that subscribe button to join the IBC community. And thank you so much for the individuals that have been subscribing and leaving me such nice comments. It's great to see that individuals are still finding value in my videos and being inspired to start their own budgeting journey. And don't forget, click on that like notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. It does really help my channel. And lets me know that you want more videos to watch. Thanks everyone. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.